Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Let's make lentil burgers today. They are healthy, tasty and easy to cook. Remember to subscribe to my channel for interesting and easy recipes. Let's get started. I'm using a mix of 3 lentils here. 1 part each of Bengal gram and the whole green lentil and 2 parts of whole red lentil. Wash the lentils thoroughly and soak them in cold water for about 2 to 3 hours. And this is how they will look after having been soaked. Cook the lentils till they are just done. Do not overcook them at any stage. This is how the cooked lentils will look. Just drain them thoroughly and let them cool down completely. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Some finely chopped button mushrooms, chopped broccoli, finely chopped onions, grated garlic, chopped green chilies. Heat some oil in a pan. Add in the onions. Cook the onions till they are lightly colored. Time to add in the garlic. The mushrooms, green chilies and the broccoli. Add in some chaat masala, coriander powder, fresh coriander. Season with salt and pepper. Cook till the vegetables are tender and the water that they have released has all dried up. Cover it briefly. This is done. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Take out the broccoli and mushroom mixture into a bowl. It has cooled down completely. Add in the cooled down lentils into the broccoli and mushroom mix. Season it with salt and pepper. Add in any dry herbs that you have. I'm adding parsley. Add in a boiled grated potato. I'll add in some barbecue sauce. If you want, you could add in some sweet chili sauce as well. And just give everything a mix. That looks like a good size for this bun. All the patties have been formed. We'll just coat them in the breadcrumbs. Keep them aside. Time to fry the patties. I'll shallow fry the patties with a little oil. I'll add in some more oil. You could fry them in vegetable oil, olive oil or even butter. I just flip them over and they already have a nice brown color to them. Time to take them out. Slice a bun in half. Apply some butter. Take a hot pan. Put the burger buns cut side down and toast it for a few seconds. These are ready. plain mayonnaise on one half, mint mayo on the other half. Your choice. If you want to use plain mayonnaise, please go ahead. Spread that out. Place some lettuce leaves. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. Some pickled onions. The patty goes on top. Place the cheese slice over the other half. Tomatoes. Cucumber. Tomato ketchup. Serve the burger with fries, wedges or potato bits. Let's make a quick onion pickle. Sliced onions, synthetic vinegar, sugar, salt and some water. Give it a quick mix. You can see that the water is already turning a light pink. Just leave the onions to marinate in this vinegar and form the pickle. Remember to subscribe to my channel for interesting and easy recipes.